If you've been around Central Florida, you might have heard of Summer Glen. Summer Glen is a private, resident-owned community south of Ocala, west of I-75, right off the Bellevue exit. There is one 18-hole golf course. There is also a residence club that includes a fitness center, pool, and more. All the fun events that you can find at many retirement communities. In the golf club, there's Turnpike Mike's, which is one of my favorite restaurants to visit. They have various items on the menu based around the New Jersey Turnpike. Both of us started as food trucks and became friends. Summer Glen also offers residents an area to park their RVs and boats in a secure lot right on the site. The access to I-75 allows residents quick access to multiple tourist locations in Central Florida. Just an hour travel and you'll be there. I have personally golfed the course at Summer Glen 3 to 4 times. The first time I golfed it, the greens were nice as well as the fairways. The last few times I have golfed there, however, the greens and fairways have been dry. Still fun to play, but I would rather golf on Baseline or Ocala because they're better kept. I have not golfed at Summer Glen in a while, however, this comment from Google brings up the same issues last year, which brings up another point of the community not handling their own course. Using a third party would be okay, the Villages does, but the fact that they are using that as a way to say it's not their fault is a mistake in my opinion. Overall, I really like Summer Glen because I think the residents enjoy local freedom to get from place to place with relative ease. Although there is not personalized medical care within the community, it is really close and accessible. Aside from only a few bad reviews, they are keeping residents happy. That is their main concern. Negative online reviews are unfair to me anyways, unless the customer, or in this case resident, has brought up the complaint which would be valid to no avail. Usually, there would be several people complaining about the same thing. Just locally in the Ocala area, Summer Glen is a nice area, but out of the 3 developments, the Villages and Top of the World and Summer Glen, I would say it is 3 out of the 3.
Hi, we're gonna go to Turnpike Mike's.
Okay, what's the last name?
Snipe.
So you're gonna get chicken tenders?
Yep.
Alright.
Yeah, chicken tender is the same.
Okay, same as what?
Same as chicken nuggets.
As McDonald's chicken nuggets?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Is that coffee? Go. I want chicken tenders.
I know. Let's see if they have them.
We got a little mobile thing we're gonna do.
Here.